What's up, everybody? Ray here from Punisher Lamont's Garage. Today, working on this beautiful 1997 Chevy 1500. It's got your 5.7 Vortec with 4L60. The problem is the 4L60 now has all neutrals. So, all the forward gears have left the chat. It's a pretty good truck, but I'll give you a little walk around. As you can see, she is a little rusty. Now, it gets better. Bed rust here, typical Chevy. Cab corners, rocker panels, everything. Now the real problem is the exhaust bolts won't come loose in the crossover. I already twisted the bolts off in the flange for the forward pipe to the rear pipe. So the 3 flange bolts on the old small block Chevy are really bad about twisting off. These are going to twist off. Unfortunately, I have to get the crossover pipe off to get the transmission out. So either way, I'm going to have to deal with that. So I think if one of these twists off, I might just take my Sawzall, cut this mid pipe off, and weld this dang thing back together. I soaked it in PB Blaster all night. We're gonna see what happens here. Oh, geez, my knees. Oh, I can't even get my socket on that one. It ain't looking good, folks. It ain't looking good. They're so rusty I can't even get the sockets on it. So I'm going to take my Sawzall, I'll cut it right here and right here. That way I can have plenty of meat to weld it back together. Other than getting this cover off, I could do it without dropping the exhaust, but unfortunately I can't get this cover off. And one of them things where it pretty much has to come out. So I guess it's time to get the Sawzall out. As you guys know, sometimes good men are forced to do violent actions for the sake of the mission. This was a necessity of this mission. I'll worry about how to fix that later.